There is nowhere in our universe that is immune to great changes. On our own planet Earth, one day everything you see will be destroyed and then built again. Any species that wants to survive for a long time in any possible world must learn extensive interplanetary and, ultimately, interstellar transmission. The sun will run out of fuel someday, and after a while there will be no circumstellar habitable zone, and we will not be able to live on any of the planets in the solar system for long. So we have to prepare ourselves for farther journeys to millions and billions of light years. Our biggest dream is to be able to travel to habitable planets and build our home there. But how do we get there? These planets are so far away from us. We need spaceships that would be able to take human crews with them to the longest transportation in the world. The closest planet to us that we think is habitable is 4 light years away. Let me put it this way about how far away it is. If NASA's Voyager, which travels at a high speed of 61,000 kilometers per hour, was heading for Alpha Centauri, it would take 70,000 years to get there. And this is the only nearest habitable interstellar planet we know. Is it possible to build a spaceship that breaks cosmic speed limits? A Mexican physicist named Miguel Alcubierre, under the influence of Star Trek movies, did a computation that a spaceship can travel faster than the speed of light. And if it succeeds, it can reduce travel time to the Alpha Centauri, for example, to 5 months. Maybe even less. Hold on. Isn't this a constitution in science that you can't move faster than light? Yes, it is. That's exactly the point of Alcubierre's journey. His ship doesn't move. It's the universe that does it. The warp spacecraft is a gravitational wave generator that can compress the space-time ocean in front of it and expand that ocean as it exits. Jet skis for fun and rides in the galaxy and beyond. How do we know? Maybe the Laniakea supercluster will someday become our lake. The supercluster has 100,000 galaxies. Laniakea. In Hawaiian it means infinite paradise. Think about it. If we can move faster than light, and put our advanced telescopes within a few thousand light years from Earth, then we can see our Outrun, which was at the height of the glory of civilization. We can see the ancient child who looked up at the sky, or see the moment of the discovery of the Andromeda galaxy, which was happening by Abdurrahman Sufi, an Iranian mathematician and astronomer, exactly 1,000 years before the beautiful image of the Andromeda galaxy was taken, or going to a few million years further and be able to see dinosaurs living safely. Many of us may not see the day that we manage to have an interstellar journey. But we have hopes for that, as our ancestors did and prepared the way for the next generations who we are. We must also help the future generations so that we can keep our species alive. Can we have an interstellar journey? What is your opinion?